You and I.
So for this first shirt, I'm pretty much just going to cut the collar off. I went this look cute with a bralette underneath it so you can actually see it, because I wore this shirt the other day and it wasn't as big as I thought it was gonna be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this off. Let's go. Oh, I'm dumb. Dang it. Oh well, we're going. We're doing it. It's fine. So what I should have did was cut around this and then cut around this. So now it's like, I think it'll still fit and still work. So pull at this a little, because that's what my mommy told me to do. So there's shirt number one. That was super easy and shirt, it is this one, and I'm just pretty much going to rough it up a little bit. Put some rips and tears in it just to make it look pretty cool. Maybe I'll cut it a little bit at the bottom, so it's not super tight, and it's just like a crop toppy kind of toppy. Okay, Dad. So again, just pull it on the ends just so it like ripples up. I don't know why. Just so it doesn't look so like clean cut, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so now what I'm going to do at the bottom is just kind of somewhat just cut this right here, and I'm just going to pull it and rip it and tear it just so it's like a little bit of like a fringy look. I don't know, just watch me do it. Yeah! Just pull them. Like, it's crazy how websites will sell clothing with rips in them for so much more than what they actually are. I think what will look really cool is it right by the collar a little bit. I just think it'd be cool. So just take your scissors and cut it. I'm just gonna do some more rips in the back and such, so let's do it. So I think this shirt definitely looks a lot better now. It looks more authentic and crazy, and I just love the rips and tears. I love it. Shirt, I think I'm gonna get a little bit more crazier. I definitely imagine this into a crop top with high-waisted shorts just for 4th of July time. I could wear this anytime, really. I don't know, I imagined it more being of a crop top, and I think I'll try to do something cool with the collar, but I don't know yet. I think I'm just gonna start it right there. I pretty much just have to cut it down, probably until about right there. Make sure you're not cutting the other part of the shirt. That would be bad. So I'm going to turn this shirt into a tie shirt. So pretty much what you just want to do is have the bottom here, and you're just going to cut this into a V and then cut it in the front about probably halfway up, and then you would just tie the shirt. Make sure you don't cut the back of the shirt, because then it'd be like a double tie shirt. I didn't really measure anything about how high up I want this to go, but I'm thinking, you know, about here maybe, and then I'm just gonna take this all the way down. Just gonna make an invisible line. Now that that's done, looks like a diaper. It's gonna fold this piece up, and where it starts to ripple a little bit right there is where I'm just gonna cut this off. Okay, that was so uneven. Wow. And then you can pull on these a little bit. And then once it's done, okay, so I'm gonna cut these sleeves off. I was always so scared as a kid to like DIY shirts and cut up my own shirts. So I'm like, oh my god, it needs to be perfect, and like, what if I mess up? I literally don't care. Like a beater shirt. This is probably gonna be more like a gym shirt. So now what I'm gonna do is just take the collar here, cut this off, and I'm just gonna, I think, cut it just into a V. Like take it completely off, but not the back. I'm just gonna follow that in the back. So I'm just gonna cut this off like this. This is where I messed up last time. That part's done. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull that as well. And there we go. Beater style one. Just kind of pull up this a little bit more so it makes your sleeves a little bit like skinnier. So I'm pretty much just gonna make holes here and string it through. So I think I'm gonna make one, holes. There's hole number one. And this is probably gonna look so dumb. I don't know, maybe it'll look cute. Maybe I'll start a trend. Probably not. I don't know. Kind of feeling it. Okay, I'm low-key kind of liking it. I'm low-key kind of liking it. And I think I'm just gonna hot glue that together so it don't move. Oh my god, guys, look. I'm adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm crafty AF. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Look how, like, oh my god. Oh my god, look how cute. I'm really debating just because this part is so messed up. Oh, just gotta cut them. Just gotta freaking cut them. I have so many mom jeans, so I think I'll be okay. And I know you're probably thinking, that's not straight. But once you, I don't know why I did that. Okay. Yeah. Well, okay. What the fuck? What did I do? What the fuck did I just do? These are like capri pants. Like, do you see this? Well, these don't have to be even. They don't have to be.
Take off.